then everybody's going to the Facegym.
So we created the world's first gym studios for the face, but in the actual studio, you sit down and someone does all the hard work for you.
So they just move your face.
Oh, it's a warm-up cardio sculpting cool-down routine where they basically manipulate your muscles, tone, tighten. We also use machines, EMS currents, radio frequency, oxygen,
Yeah, because
skin
I'm hearing
IV.
that people are going there before an event or after a night out, and it gives you like an instant kind of
non-invasive
facelift type of thing.
I mean, most people go like once or twice a month. And then they use the at-home stuff as well, because now we've got these great tools, we've got the great skincare.
That's what you're going to show me today.
That's what I'm going to teach you
If
today.
you can't get to the Facegym, if you don't have a new gym near you, you can bring the gym to your house.
So this is sulfan-free, and then we basically go. And then don't forget your neck.
Ooh,
and then
it smells good.
Yeah, it's just a natural coconut. We're going to start knuckling.
Okay.
So let's knuckle around here. Do you suffer from tension in your jaw area?
Yes.
So open your mouth a little. You can get in there.
Yeah.
So let's work up the face.
Okay, hold on.
So then invert your knuckles and then work towards your ear. You can actually start lifting.
Under the cheekbone?
Under the cheekbone up. I realized that normal facials just weren't working. It was just too product-led. And then there was the other extreme, which was just all the injectables, and that was really aging me. So I just saw this massive opportunity to treat our faces like we treat our body and actually take these forgotten 40 muscles to the gym. So now I'm going to introduce you to something which is actually like a world exclusive. It's
a world exclusive.
Well, it's a world exclusive. There's no one else in the US that has this. It's actually called an active roller.
Okay.
So basically, we've just started stocking this on Violet Grey. So I'm so excited because now you can get your hands on it as well.
Violet code approved.
Thank you. This is a Reniseed. It's a really hot new ingredient for 2023. So the useful roller is fabulous. It also comes in brightening and hydrating. So why would you just use hyaluronic acid when you can actually roll in your acid? So you start rolling up. If you do, I mean, I'm like almost turning 50 and I really take care of my neck. So if a neck is important to you, you can also just roll down the neck.
Wow.
Because you're actually stimulating collagen, stimulating your fibroblast activity. Then as you work up, we all tend to have a little bit more wrinkle around here. We call that the nasolabial line. You can work around there. And so it obviously looks like microneedling, but it's not. It's active needling, so it doesn't hurt.
What's the difference between active?
So microneedling is when you actually use a metal needle. It can sometimes be electronic. We've got one called Facegym. But what I like about this is it's for anybody who's too scared of microneedling. This is a really wonderful way to get all of that stimulation, get all that collagen. You know, you basically do 5 minutes on either side, and then we basically now do the next step, which
this is prepped.
Yeah, so now you're prepped. Now put it away, you're going to use it again.
Okay.
Next step, which is literally the piece de resistance. Again, another world first. It's called Active Blast. This is going to change your life. It's a collagen, but it's a biotech ingredient. It's actually a fermented yeast. It's 200 times stronger than any marine collagen or any other collagen product you've ever tried before. And that's because it absorbs 90% better. So you've got this beautiful ball of goodness.
Yeah.
That's the magic right there. I'm going to confess, I'm on 4 balls a day at the moment. So we go, and this is a lovely little pump action. There you go. So you can just basically pump down the red button, fill your boots, and then look at that. It's so much fun. It just dissolves. And then we just apply it again. And it should feel really yummy and it just penetrating so deeply. So you've just stimulated your skin, you've increased the collagen production through that micro injury, and now you're flooding your skin with all this collagen. It expresses just like a type 2 collagen. So it does feel a little bit tacky, but that's how it should feel now, because now we're going to go into our next step, which is my absolute favorite. This is full of vitamin C. It's also got plankton, and it literally is like a de-stress for your skin. I've filled it with Palo Santo.
I have so much stress on my skin.
And I use it every single night. It's literally changed my skin.
Okay, so but like if I'm going out like to Casa Cruz or something,
Yeah.
do I do this like a few hours before I put on my makeup or?
Yeah, I actually like doing the roller the night before a big night.
Right.
So
just so you're not flush.
Yeah, so literally I would do it the night before. I would use this with our new cheek mask. So this is better for creating that collagen the night before.
Yeah.
Or you can do it in the morning if you're going out that night. We give you a couple of really nice exercises to go with your youth reformer, your vitamin C oil. It literally is just that. So it's obviously an oil texture, but it's full of active. So again, so we go either side of the nose, we're going to literally work on that eye. This is helping to drain because all your lymph system. So just make sure that your pressure when you come down the neck is not too tight, because then you're going to actually crush that lymphatic system. So you want to basically lift, because everything, you want to get those muscles just going up. And you'll be so surprised, you know, if you do this regularly, your muscles has memory. And so it just basically starts behaving itself. And instead of going down, it goes up. Yeah, so this is literally our take on traditional Gua Sha. It's got 6 edges. It's got a medium edge, short edge, long edge. We've got a little grip and our teeth. And so I'm going to show you how to actually sculpt with this little guy as well. And then again, just sort of gliding towards the ear, always using your dominant hand. You can kind of do quite a strong pressure. Okay, so then with the medium edge, we go place it quite flat, close to the mouth like this, and then just sculpt towards the ear. That's exactly what we're trying to get. We're trying to get that really chiseled, you know, non-surgical facelift toning. And then here we can actually start going in a little bit with your little comb, and you can actually start working on some of those wrinkles. Bring in the short wedge now, and then again place it quite flat, and then go around the eye. You can reduce the pressure. So the first thing you're doing is trying to drain. So you're trying to drain that excess fluid towards the ear. Okay, so we've lifted, we've sculpted, we've toned, we've rolled. And so now, I mean, you could either go to bed or you could just let it calm down, tone down, use one of our moisturizers. And then basically in an hour or so, the redness is gone, but your face just feels so lifted. You've lost all of those, you know, bags under the eyes. And that's basically how to face gym at home, just a sort of sneak peek.
And I feel like very special, very, very important having you come and show me in my house all the way from London.